Hey there, little tiddlywink. Are you lost? Do you need some adventure help from Boo Boo Boo?
I'm 12.
That's good. How about those video games? Those are good, right?
Yeah, they are. Stick it in.
That's not normal. Why are you not normal?
What do you mean?
The way you speak is unorthodox. I like big words.
I'm not sure how it got this way. Yeah. But I recall this one time. Faster, faster, faster.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
Oh, yeah.
wait, Kirito.
Oh, yeah.
That's my armpit.
Oh, yeah.
Stop.
Oh, yeah.
Get it
Oh,
out.
yeah.
Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Stop.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, that was strangely unsatisfying.
Set.
And I guess that's how it happened. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. That feels good. Yeah.
I am the great mighty plant!
Touch me there. Yeah.
Oh man, I don't want to deal with this shit. Oh, gross!
Oh, man. That thing carried lots of awesome items, and you go out and ruin it all. You're no fun. I hate you.
But you're my best friend. Nobody cares about me. Yeah.
Okay, you can stop now. You can stop now. Now stop! Stop! Shut up!
Okay, jeez.
How was your day, sweetie? I'm gonna give you a kiss. Little kiss on the cheek. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
I don't want to talk about it.
What's wrong, sweetie? Don't you like my kisses? Don't you really
I
like...
don't want to talk about it.
Let's watch Chode and Lola. It's your favorite show.
I don't like it anymore.
It's your favorite episode.
I don't have one.